A consumer alert for you this morning. A Listeria scare has forced another ice cream maker to pull its product off the shelves. Jeni's Splendid ice cream, based here in Ohio, has recalled all of its ice cream, sorbets, and ice cream sandwiches for now. ABC 22's Amber Watson is in Miami Township this morning at Health Foods Unlimited, where that ice cream is sold, and tells us what prompted this voluntary recall. Good morning, Amber.
Good morning. Right now the store is closed, but those usually craving Jeni's ice cream can come inside this store and get it. But right now the product is off the shelves, and Jeni's ice cream is based in Columbus but has stores across the country. And the company decided to recall the products after one sample randomly tested by the Nebraska Department of Agriculture was contaminated with Listeria. Now, no illnesses have been reported. So far, only 1 pint of ice cream seems to have been affected. But as a precaution, Jeni's wants to complete safety inspections at every store and pint. Now, some customers are sad to see the products pulled off the shelves, but are happy the store is taking extra steps to ensure safety.
They're honest. Instead of, just keep on serving, they actually shut the doors.
Now, Jeni says its top priority is keeping its customers safe. Listeria can cause serious and sometimes fatal infections in young children or those with weakened immune systems. Now, if you have recently eaten any Jeni's ice cream products and you start feeling cramping in your stomach, nausea, or get a fever, you should contact your doctor. And if you have the ice cream in your freezer, you should throw it out or take it back to the store to get a refund. Now, right now, Jeni's is still working to figure out how the ice cream was contaminated, and they say the products won't be back on shelves until they can guarantee that every scoop is safe. And coming up in the next half hour, I'll tell you what else is being done to find that contaminated source. For now, reporting live in Miami Township, Amber Watson, ABC 22 News.